Presenting the 2012 Honda Accord XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are drive-by-wire throttle, direct ignition system, 5-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, double wishbone front suspension, independent multi-link rear suspension, front and rear stabilizer bars, front shock tower bar, variable PWR rack and pinion steering and chrome exhaust finisher. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.